Myself, Sojiki Edukla from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, ACE College of Engineering. As we all know, during this COVID pandemic situation, everything right from shopping, banking, schooling and even buying groceries has changed from normal to digital. This has increased the importance of cybersecurity in our daily lives.
We can divide the word cybersecurity into cyber and security. What is cyber? Cyber is anything related to technology such as computer systems, computer network, computer programs. Then what is cybersecurity? It is the protection of computer systems, computer network, computer programs and data against hackers. In the last few years, hundreds of millions of credit card numbers have been stolen. This is done by exploiting vulnerabilities in hardware and software. Today, the largest countries not have a regular army but also have a well-armed cyber army. In fact, the next world war may not be fought with traditional weapons but with computers used to shut down national water supplies, energy grids and transportation systems. In biology, a virus is an organism that is spread by coughing, sneezing or physical contact. Viruses work by infecting cells, injecting their genetic material and using those cells to replicate. A computer virus works a bit similarly. A virus is an executable program that gets installed unintentionally and harms a user and their computer. Some of the cyber threats are phishing. Phishing is when cyber criminals target victims with emails that appear to be from a legitimate company asking for sensitive information. Social engineering. The psychological manipulation of individuals to obtain confidential information. For example, getting a call from a bank and asking for our ATM PIN or OTP, etc. Trojan horse. It is a type of malicious code that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer. That is, it creates a backdoor in the system. Malware. Malware means malicious software that is specifically designed to gain access or damage a computer without the knowledge of the owner. Some of the cybersecurity tips are: update your software and operating system. Use antivirus software. Use strong passwords. Do not open email attachment from unknown senders. Don't click on links in emails from unknown sender or unfamiliar websites. Avoid using unsecure Wi-Fi networks in public places.
That's all for today. Thank you all. And please visit our Facebook page for updates on the latest technologies.